Everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss a very important topic, mainly how to create 3D map using QGIS software. So I'll try to explain all of those from beginners to advanced level. Then I hope you can easily create the 3D map for any study area. So let's go. I will try to show you that all of the steps. So first of all, simply open your QGIS, and when you work with 3D map, you must need the elevation data. You need the DEM data. So if you don't know how to download the DEM or how to work with DEM data, you can simply check my others video in my YouTube channel. You can easily get it, how to get the download data, as well as how to download the satellite imagery. So here I already downloaded the two file. One file is for satellite imagery TIFF file, another is for DEM. So this image satellite imagery, and also this is my DEM. So just I simply import the two file in QGIS software. So you can see this is my DEM data, and this is my satellite imagery. Okay. So now how I can make the 3D view. Okay, for my satellite imagery and also TAM data. So I'll try to explain about that. So then I hope you can easily get the idea, and then you can easily create for any study area for the creating the 3D view. So for that, if you check the view option, click on here, you can check the 3D view or 3D map views and create the new 3D map view. Just click, and now we can get this type of new window. So here you can check all of details about this. You can check that this is the hand tool, mainly camera control. Then you can see this is the zoom full. Okay, zoom full. You can check that toggle on screen navigation. You can easily toggle and get the. You can see we can get this type of toggle, so you can see which direction you want to visualize. So this type of things we can get it. So this is the information identify. We can get the pixel wise information. This is the measurement line. We can easily compute the line. And if you check, this is the animation. If you try to check some animation, you can create for using the 3D. Suppose water animation or flood inundation animation. So different types of animation you can also set for the 3D area. So inshallah further I'll try to explore this type of animation, how to create. You can see this is the another. So basically it's the export. Suppose this type of animation, if you want to export as a video, then we also try to use it. And then you can see this is the I button, set view theme. We set the different set view theme from here. Also you can see this is the video, 2D view or 3D camera. So this type of things we try to explore. So this is the satellite imagery, and this satellite imagery I want to configure. So how I can configure? You can check, this is the configure button. So just click on the configure button, and then you can see it show the train option. So you can just train, light, effect, camera, or advanced. So this type of things I try to explain one by one. Then I hope you also get the idea. So first of all, train, it's very important when you work with the 3D. So in the train, we set the train type, mainly train type, it is the show the flood train, but we try to check here that a DEM raster. So when I click on the DEM raster, it need the elevation. Okay, so for that you must need the elevation layer. Select for the DEM train. So you can see the elevation. So here I already have the DEM data. So this DEM data I simply choose and click on the DEM. So now you can see the vertical scale. We just use the one tile resolution. This is 16 pixel and grid height 10. So just I apply and then check my result first. Then you also try to modify it. So just I apply and okay. So now I can check it create this type of map. Just I toggle and then you can see it show this type of view. So now I also increase the vertical. So for that, just click on here. You can also, you can see this does show the vertical scale 1. So if I just put suppose 5 and then apply and okay. So now it's create, you can see this type of view. We can get this type of view, but you can see it create this type of blank. So further you can increase the script. So just click on the configure again. You can see the script height. So just I increase suppose 150. Just I apply. So it's not the fixed. You also check it which one is more better for your study area. So now we can get this type of nothing. You can see there is no blank, okay, white color. So we find out this type of map, as well as if you want to also increase the scale, just click on here. Suppose I put the scale as a 30 or 30, just vertical scale 30 and then apply. So now we find out, you can see this type of view, okay, of this map. So you can get this type of view, look like that. And now if you want, you can also just create different types of animation for waterfall animation or also water irrigation animation. So this type of thing I'll try to explain one by one, then I hope you also get the idea how it will work. Okay, so just let me put here, suppose I just put here suppose 100. I think it's a little more suitable. And vertical I just put suppose 20. I think it's also more suitable for my study area. Just apply and okay. So now you can get this type of view if you check. So we can easily get this type of view. Where is the high, where is the low, we can get this type of elevation. So this is the, we can get, you can see this type of map as a 3D view map we find out for this study area. Okay, so now if you want, you also add, click on here and you can see the shadow. If you want, you also add the shadow or shadow eye dome lighting. We also add, you can see this type of shadow light dome lighting, and also shadow ebony and con, you can also add in here. Those several things also add from here. And further, if you want, just click on here, also make the animation. Okay, so this thing I'll try to explain, then you can also get the animation. I try to show you the another tutorial for the animation, how to create the animation, then you can get the idea. So for that, simply keep in touch with my YouTube channel to get the updated information. So these things, if you want, you can also just export as a map. Okay, export as a map. So how I can export it? So for that, you can simply click, suppose you can see the project and you can see the new print layout. Just click. I put the name, suppose any name. I put the name, suppose map, and then okay. So now just I click, you can see this is the add 3D map. Just I click and further just I choose my study area. So this is my view. I just simply add in here the map. There is no sin. Just I click on the item properties, copy setting from the 3D view. I set the 3D map 1. So now this map is also loaded in my map center. So further, you can simply make the proper layout of your study area and just make the represent this 3D map look like that. So basically, this is the way we can just apply it and make the 3D map for any study area, help of dem data. Okay, so I hope this tutorial is also enjoy you. And further, if you want, you can also learn some online training program from my institution. So you can also join. So basically, this is our total 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine. And not only for Google Earth Engine, we are also integrate with the ArcGIS Pro and also QGIS software. So both of tool how to use with Google Earth Engine. We'll also try to explain all of those from beginners to advanced level. Suppose if you have no knowledge about the coding, mainly Python or JavaScript, or you don't have any knowledge about the remote sensing, then I hope after completing this full total 7 days training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently using Google Earth Engine, help of ArcGIS Pro and also QGIS software. So if you want to join this training program, so you can check all of information from my website. So this link I already added in the video description. You can simply check it. And further, you can also complete your registration. So you can see how to register. All of those are including in here. So if you want to join, so simply check all of course content or course syllabus and then simply join. So today is no more. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.